In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cinema HD APK if it's not working on your Fire Stick. Without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Clear cache and data. From the Fire Stick home screen, navigate to Settings, select Applications, and then choose Manage Installed Applications. Scroll down and find Cinema HD. Click on Clear Cache and then Clear Data to remove any corrupted data. Step 2. Update Cinema HD APK. Open the Downloader app. In the URL field, type the link for the latest Cinema HD APK. You can get the latest version from websites like Troy Point. Once downloaded, click Install to update the app. Step 3. Reinstall Cinema HD APK. If the above steps don't work, uninstall Cinema HD. After uninstalling, go back to Downloader and re-download the latest version of Cinema HD APK. Install it and check if the issue is resolved. Step 4. Check for network issues. Ensure your Fire Stick is connected to a stable internet connection. Test the connection speed using a speed testing app to ensure it's fast enough for streaming. Step 5. Disable VPN or proxy, if applicable. If you use a VPN, try disabling it, as it may interfere with the app. Also disable any proxy servers that could be blocking Cinema HD's functionality. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.